It is such an honor to be able to invite you and to have you.
Our role as a company is changing. Our position in the market is changing. Our position and role in what we do for you is changing and evolving. We will become the platform which plays the role of a digital quarterback. So when we meet and when we create connections, ideas can be ignited. Just in this room, there are people that worked at Unilog, have gone on to start new companies. I'm thankful for all of your time, thankful for your business. I really appreciate it. I look forward to meeting with each one of you, spending some time. Have a great time, and thank you so much for coming.